see the seventh question, that is from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of 20-meter high building were 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. That means here in the question, tower is on the top of the building. Suppose here this is the top of the building. That is, suppose here from the ground to the top of the tower, the building is, this is your 20-meter, building height is 20 meter. Now this is elevated with 45 degree. Okay, now from the base here, the height of the building, if it is seen, building is of the height of 20 meter, makes an angle, angle of elevation for the building is 45 degree. Now on the top of this building, a tower is standing. That means, suppose this is A, B, C, then D is, C to D is the tower. This is tower. Okay, the tower is fixed on the top of the building. Clear? Now this particular person who is standing in the ground, from here he sees that tower, height of the tower. This one, this angle he makes, angle of elevation for the tower. Okay, angle of elevation for the building is 45 degree. Angle of the elevation for the tower is 60 degree. So what you have to do? You have to find the height of the tower. Okay, clear? Now for this, same way like the previous question, what you will do? In the first one, that is in triangle, you can write in triangle ABC. Okay, the height of the building is how much? Height of the building is equals to 20 meter. Then angle of elevation is how much? Angle of elevation equals to how much? 45 degree. This one. Okay, 45 degree. So now you can see height of the building, that is P is given and angle is given. So how will you get the base? We are supposed to find what? Base, because this base is common for tower also. Right? So we have to get the base, not the hypotenuse. Clear? So base will be AB. So you can write here, that is, so base means P and B relation is in tan theta. Clear? So tan function we will take. So that is, you can write BC upon AB equals to tan 45 degree. Clear? Now implies BC is given how much? 20 meter. So 20 meter upon AB equals to tan 45 is what? 1. Value of tan 45 is 1. Now on cross multiplication, what you will get? AB equals to 20 meter. That means this base is of 20 meter only. Clear? Base is also 20 meter. Now base is known to us. That is, AB is known to us. Now what we are supposed to find? The height of the tower. Height of the tower means, for that we need to have what? Triangle. Now in triangle ABD, A, B and D. Okay, that is AB is known to us. AB equals to how much? 20 meter. Okay, and angle of elevation is how much? Angle of elevation is how much? For the tower one, angle of elevation is how much? 60 degree. 60 degree. Okay, now B known to us and angle is known to us. So how will you get the P? That is again tan. Okay, tan function will take, that is tan, that is BD upon AB equals to tan 60 degree. Okay, so which is equals to what? BD is how much? We do not know. BD we have to find. So BD leave it as it is. AB is how much? 20 meter. equals to tan 60 is how much? Root 3. Now on cross multiplication what you will get? BD equals to 20 root 3 meter. Okay. So now total height, this BD is given to us. This BD is known and this BC from here, BC is known to us. Then can we get this height? That is BD minus BC. So you can write height of the tower that is CD equals to what? That is BD minus BD whole height minus height of the building. Height of the building is what? BC. Okay. So that is equals to what is BD? We got 20 root 3 meter. 20 root 3 meter minus BC is how much? Height of the building we know, that is BC is 20 meter, which is equals to how much? In both 20 is common, so we will take 20 outside. Then what is left out here? Root 3 minus 1 meter. Answer. Or you can write last statement, thus the height of the tower equals to 20 within bracket root 3 minus 1 meter. Answer. Okay. Now see question number 8. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of the pedestal. Means suppose this is the height of the pedestal. Okay. So it is not given. The height of the pedestal is not given to us. So let it be x. So on the top of the pedestal here a statue of 1.6 meter height is placed. Okay. This is the height of the statue. Okay. So what is given in the question for the statue top of the pedestal? From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation to the top of the statue is 60 degree. Means from here the angle of elevation to the statue is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. Okay. And then what is given? The next of it is, and from the same point means from here. Okay. From the same point, the angle of elevation to the top of the pedestal is 45. Pedestal is what? Here up to here. So top of the pedestal means from here. The angle of elevation to the pedestal is 45 degree. Clear? Understood? So now what you have to find? Find the height of the pedestal. Okay. You have to find the height of the pedestal. Now you can see in this figure, suppose name it as A, B, C and D. Same like previous question you have done. So you can write here, let CD be the statue of height 1.6 meter and BC be the pedestal of height equals to x, because the height of the pedestal is not given to us, and comma you can write A be the point on the ground from where the elevations are made. Okay, elevations are made. So now in triangle ABC, okay, BC equals to x, because the height of the pedestal we have taken as x, and angle of elevation is how much? Angle of elevation is equals to 45 degree. Okay, so now P is given, angle is given. So how we will get the base? With tan ratio or function we can use. So implies BC upon AB equals to tan 45 degree, which implies BC is how much? X upon AB equals to how much? Tan 45 is 1. Implies X equals to AB, or we can write or AB equals to X. That means this AB is also X. Okay. Now AB is the base we got. Okay. So now in triangle, next we can write in triangle ABD. A, B and D. This one. That means including the statue now. Okay. So the height will be BD will be equals to how much? BD equals to BC plus CD. Okay, which is equals to BC is how much? X. So that is X plus CD is how much? 1.6 meter. Okay, so that is BD. Implies you can write BD equals to this much. Okay, so now we can take what? Again same way, BD is known, base is known. So which one you will take? Which trigonometric functions? That is tan again. So you can write that is BD upon AB equals to tan 60 degree. Because here the angle of elevation is how much? Before that you can write here the angle of elevation equals to 60 degree, right? For this ABD triangle, the elevation is how much? 60 degree. So implies what? Now put the value BD is how much? X plus 1.6 meter. So put here X plus 1.6 meter upon X equals to root 3, because tan 60 value is root 3, which implies what? Cross multiply X plus 1.6 meter equals to root 3 X, implies take all the variables to one side. So that will be your root 3x minus x equals to 1.6 meter, which implies what? Take common here x. So x into root 3 minus 1 equals to 1.6 meter, which implies what? X equals to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1 meter. Now you can see denominator is having root values. That means again you have to go for rationalization. So now rationalize it. Both numerator and denominator with positive values will multiply. That means root 3 plus 1 and root 3 plus 1 to the denominator. So which will give what? Equals to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon, this is root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. That will be root 3 square minus 1 square, which gives what? Implies x equals to 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon, that is root 3 means 3, square will be what? 3 only. So minus 1, which gives what? 1.6 into root 3 plus 1 upon 2, 3 minus 1 will be 2. So 2, you know that it is divisible. So 2 ones are, and this one gets cancelled, and 0.8. So implies x equals to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. So you can write the height of the pedestal only we are supposed to find, is it not? So you can write thus the height of the pedestal equals to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. Answer. Okay, I think from here also you can write the statement of your own. Thus the height of the pedestal is 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, if it is not seen to you or not able to see, of your own you write the height of the pedestal is equals to x equals to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, thank you. Children, ninth question. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Okay, and the angle of elevation from the top of the tower to the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, what is the height of the building? Okay, so now we have to see the tower is bigger than the building. Okay, so this is the tower. Okay, and this is the ground. From the foot of the building, this is the building. Okay, so now from the top of the building to the tower, foot of the tower, the angle of elevation is how much? 30 degree. Okay, and whereas from the top of the tower to the foot of the building, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, and tower height is given as 50 meter, and we have to find the height of the building. Okay, so now first let us name this A, B, C and D. Okay, so now write let A, B be the height of the building and CD be the height of the tower. Okay, clear? Now height of the tower, that is CD, is given how much? Height of the tower is given as 50 meter. And for triangle, in triangle BCD, why we are taking first BCD? Because here you can see P is given. For this angle, this side is the P, opposite side of angle of elevation is P. So P is given. So from the given side, the unknown side we have to find. Clear? So first, that is why we will take triangle BCD. So in triangle BCD, angle of elevation is how much? Angle of elevation equals to how much? 60 degree, and CD equals to P equals to how much? 50 meter. Then which trigonometric ratios will take? That is tan, because P is given, B we have to find. Okay, so we can write here CD upon BC equals to tan 60 degree. Okay, which implies, put the value, CD is how much? 50 meter upon BC equals to tan 60 is how much? Root 3. So now this will be how much? Equals to BC equals to cross multiply and get, that is 50 upon root 3 meter. So this BC is how much? 50 upon root 3 meter. Okay. So now if you want to rationalize, you can. Otherwise leave it, because our main aim is to find the height of the building, not this one. Okay. So now BC is this much. Okay. Now BC foot of that particular ground, we got it. The ground level distance base is 50 upon root 3 meter. Now in triangle, then write in triangle ABC. Okay, AB is the height of the building, which is we have to find. AB equals to height of the building, which we have to find. equals to x or question mark, we have to find that. And BC is what? BC equals to base equals to how much? 50 upon root 3 meter. And angle of elevation is how much? And angle of elevation equals to how much? You can see 30 degree. Okay, then what you will do? Now see, for this what you will do here? Which trigonometric again? P by B. Okay, so it will be what? AB upon BC equals to tan 30 degree, because the angle of elevation is what? 30. So tan 30 implies, put the values. AB is how much? We do not know. So AB will be, let it be AB only. And BC how much? That is 50 upon root 3 equals to tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Now cross multiply. What will get? AB equals to 1 upon root 3 into 50 upon root 3, which is equals to how much? Numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. So root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So which implies what? AB equals to, now multiply this, divide with this, 50 divided by 3 will be what? 3 ones are 3. Okay, then 20 is 18 and balance is 2. So 3. So remainder will be left out 2. Balance means the remainder will be 2. So upon 3. So therefore you can write thus the height of the building equals to 16 2 upon 3 meter. This is all meter, okay? Because we have written here what? Meter. So everywhere meter will come. Okay? So answer. This is the answer.